All right, part 2 of the electric bike videos. This is the unboxing of the bike. So part 1 was the electric wheel, and part 2 is the bike, and part 3 will be the battery, and part 4 we're putting. Let's forget it all. Let's just stick with part 2, which is we're at right now. This is going to be a tricky video because the box is huge. I usually don't deal with subjects so big, but the box is big. So let's take apart the bike. We'll put together the bike. Take apart the box, put together the bike, and see what happens. All right. Normally, again, I don't have objects this big to work with, so it's easier. But well, let's see what we can do. Cut away. Cut away. So far, no injuries. This is pretty good. There's more to cut. Cutting is done. I'm now opening. It opened pretty easy. Like, it's been opened before, so maybe this is an unboxed item already. I don't know. Well, the box is open. Let's see what we got inside. First of all, it smells like bike. Padding. More padding. More padding. It's padded well. All right, the bike is now out of the box. It's almost like a title of something, a chapter. The bike is out of the box, but it's in my hands. It's, I guess I can lift it up. It's kind of big. It's mostly, it seems pretty well assembled already, so that's kind of cool. I don't have to do a lot of work, but I'm sure there's some work ahead of me. All right, now these two pieces weren't secured to anything at all. So kind of, I don't know about the whole boxing part, if it was assembled all that well, but that's okay. I can live with that so far. So the main box was punctured by the kickstand. I don't think that's intended. So far it's a little, it looks pretty good, but stuff like this is a little bit concerning. All right, the owner's manual, which is good because full disclosure, I have never assembled a bicycle before, so I'm going to be learning. I've ridden them for years, but never assembled, so I'm going to be learning stuff. Let's begin.